First of all, navigate to the Pages section. Then, click on Menus option. Next, choose your menu to edit from Active Menu option. To create a new menu, click on Add Nav option. After clicking, Add Menu pop-up will open. Now, to link your menu to home page, select the Home option. If you want to link the menu to any page, then select the Pages option, and to link the menu to an external link, select Web Address option. Now enter the desired name for menu, then click on Add button. Now we preview to see the changes. To change the position of menu, click and hold the menu item you want to move. Change the position by moving it up or down as per your choice. Then release the menu item. Position will get changed. To create a submenu, click and hold the menu item you want to move. Then drag the menu item inside another menu as per your choice. Your submenu will get created. To delete a menu, go to the delete icon of the menu you want to delete, then click on Yes Delete button to confirm the deletion. Menu item will get deleted.